In today's workshop, we're here to explore a key aspect of your farm management: risk attitude. Every year, you're faced with decisions where the outcome is uncertain. Decisions about inputs, timing, markets, and investments all carry a level of risk, and the results are never guaranteed. This is where risk attitude comes in. Risk attitude is your personal tendency to seek out or avoid different levels of uncertainty. It shapes how you respond to opportunities and how you manage the unknowns that come with farming. Risk attitude isn't always easy to isolate, as decisions are influenced by many factors. These can include experience, the information available, practical constraints, personal perspective, and emotion. Your attitude toward risk can even shift depending on the situation. During this workshop, we're going to run through a series of common scenarios you likely face as a farm manager. We hope that this will help you understand your risk attitude compared to those around you. Essentially, this will benchmark your risk attitude against your peers. To accomplish this, we've developed an activity based on 9 realistic scenarios. For each of the 9 scenarios, we'll ask you how likely you are to do what the example farmer does, and second, how risky you think the scenario is. Each scenario reflects real-world conditions, with potential upside, downside, and uncertainty outside your control. Crucially, there are no right or wrong answers, because there is no right or wrong risk attitude. Different people respond in different ways, and that variation is exactly what makes this exercise valuable, helping you see how your risk attitude compares to those around you. Participating is an opportunity to reflect on your own decision-making, how you weigh uncertainty, where you tend to lean, and what shapes the choices you make. It also contributes to a broader picture of how growers across Australia approach risk. Thank you for participating. Now, let's get started.